Every journey begins where nature and patience meet.
Harvesting demands precision long before machines take over. Quality is filtered at the source. Traceability starts before the factory doors appear.
Temperature control preserves freshness in transit.
From farm to factory, control never breaks. Distance is bridged by logistics and discipline. Here, agriculture meets automation. Entry is calibrated to the centimeter. The transformation begins the moment fruit crosses inside. Inside, every step is controlled by flow. Human judgment guides the first machine touchpoint. Nothing moves forward unseen.
Water becomes the first refining tool.
Gentle force preserves delicate structure. Preparation is precision, not speed. Standards are enforced by trained eyes. Data refines what humans select. Cleanliness is locked before transformation. Now, processing takes control. Flow control defines consistency. Order prepares the fruit for precision. Steel replaces hands without losing care. Only the heart moves ahead. Nothing is wasted, only redirected. Purity advances toward transformation. Texture is reduced, character preserved. Refinement happens in layers. From solid to fluid, the process tightens. Uniformity is engineered here. Consistency is not guessed, it is calculated.
Pressure reshapes structure at the microscopic level.
Smoothness is engineered, not blended. Stability demands controlled heat. Balance protects flavor and life. Human oversight secures machine intelligence. Isolation ensures longevity. Rest prepares the puree for precision.
Control is refined down to seconds. The product is nearly complete. Refinement is measured in microns. Smoothness reaches its final form. Texture is calibrated, never assumed. Appearance reflects discipline. Silence inside the product matters.
Human senses confirm machine results.
Efficiency follows balance.
Completion waits for approval.
Proof is taken, not assumed. Verification stands between process and release. Nothing proceeds without verification.
Every batch carries its identity.
Balance is measured, not guessed.
Sweetness must meet specification.
Safety is verified at the microscopic level.
Color confirms discipline.
Texture proves the process.
Only approved product moves forward.
Clearance unlocks the final stage.
Now, the product is ready to leave the factory. Precision defines the final form. Accuracy is enforced at scale. Protection is locked in permanently. Stability follows containment.
Identity travels with every unit.
Efficiency multiplies consistency.
Ready units become global cargo.
Quality is preserved until departure. The journey continues beyond the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce premium dragon fruit puree from start to finish.